Are you ready to transform your Mercedes Benz into a modern multimedia hub? Today, we are reviewing the Android ultra-thin screen, designed for Mercedes-Benz models including V-Class W447, GLC X253, X-Class, and C-Class W205. This upgrade brings cutting-edge technology and sleek design to your dashboard. At the heart of this system is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor, an 8-core 64-bit chip with a blazing speed of 2.8 GHz. Combined with the Adreno 610 GPU, this setup delivers smooth performance for navigation, entertainment, and multitasking. Built on a 6-nanometer process, it ensures efficiency and power. The screen supports full HD Plus resolution at 120 Hz, giving you sharp visuals and fluid touch response. Storage options range from 64 GB with 4 GB of RAM up to 256 GB with 8 GB of RAM, so you have plenty of space for apps, music, and videos. Connectivity is another highlight. The system supports 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring fast internet and seamless pairing with your devices. It also includes GPS, Beidou, Glonass, and Galileo for accurate navigation anywhere you go. For entertainment, you can enjoy CarPlay and Android Auto, stream videos, and even record with high-quality camera support up to 108 megapixels. Plus, it offers USB 3.1 and SD 3.0 compatibility, making file transfers quick and easy. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play design, and the ultra-thin profile blends perfectly with your car's interior. If you want a stylish upgrade that combines speed, connectivity, and smart features, the Android ultra-thin screen is the perfect choice.